If you're watching this video, you probably already have a Berkey filtration system, or you're looking to buy one. You must be curious about the Berkey Earth Ceramic Elements and how they're different from the traditional Black Berkey Elements. I'm going to tell you about the pros and cons to purchasing the Earth Ceramic Elements versus the Black Elements. Let's start with the pros. If you're doubting the quality of the ceramic elements, don't. They've been tested and proven to remove many harmful contaminants including E. coli, salmonella, aluminum, and arsenic. You're still going to get the same pure water that all Berkey products guarantee. As the name suggests, these elements are made of ceramic. They're designed to be more economical and earth-friendly compared to the Black Berkey elements. They're also cheaper. Each element costs between $25 and $30 and they're sold individually. Best yet, they will filter successfully for 3,000 gallons or 3 years. So you wind up spending less than a penny per gallon. Now, let's look at the cons. While the ceramic filters do an excellent job of filtering, the Black Berkey elements are superior. The Earth elements don't filter viruses as well as the Black filters. The Black elements are also easier to prime and they filter faster than the ceramic version. Earth elements can only filter 36 gallons in 24 hours, while the Black elements can filter 168 gallons in the same time. The Berkey Earth Ceramic Elements are a great economic option for consumers, and they're a positive step towards drinking clean, pure water. But if you're wanting the best of the best, the Black Berkey Elements are a better option. If you want to learn more about the Berkey Earth Ceramic Elements, visit www.berkeycleanwater.com and subscribe below for more Berkey videos.